ask what makes my dreams real. I tell them you do. You're out of sight. So fee, fi, fo, fum. Look out, baby, 'cause here I come. I'm bringing you a love that's true, so get ready, get ready. I'm gonna try and make you love me too, so get ready, 'cause here I come.
Get ready, 'cause here I come.
On my way.
Get ready, 'cause here I come.
Wanna play hide and seek with love? Let me remind you,
You're alright.
the loving you're gonna miss and the time it takes to find you.
You're out of sight.
Twiddly-dee, twiddly-dum. Look out, baby, 'cause here I come. I'm bringing you a love that's true, so get ready, get ready. I'm gonna try and make you love me too, so get ready, 'cause here I come.
Get ready, 'cause here I come.
On my way,
Get ready, 'cause here I come.
every day.
Get ready, 'cause here I come. Get ready, 'cause here I come.
Each day through my window, I watch her as she passes by. I say to myself, you're such a lucky guy to have a girl like her. It's truly a dream come true. Out of all the fellas in the world, she belongs to you. But it was just my imagination running away with me. It was just my imagination running away with me. So we'll be married and raise a family with a cozy little home out in the country with 2 children, maybe 3. I tell you, and visualize it all, yeah. This couldn't be a dream, for to real it all seems, but it's just my imagination once again running away with me. I tell you, it was just my imagination running away with me. Every night on my knees I pray, dear Lord, hear my plea. Don't ever let another take a love from me, or I will surely die. Her love is heavenly. When her arms unfold me, I hear a tender rhapsody. But in reality, she doesn't even know me. I've got sunshine on a cloudy day. When it's cold outside, I've got the month of May. Yeah. To all you ladies and to all you gents, you're the sweetest thing this side of heaven. You're my everything. You're my everything. You're my everything. You're my everything. It was the 3rd of September. That day I'll always remember. Yes, I will. 'Cause that was the day that my daddy died. I never got a chance to meet him. Never heard nothing but bad things about him. Mama, I'm depending on you to tell me the truth. Mama just lowered her head and said, Papa was a rolling stone. Wow, 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 wow. Wherever he laid his hat was his home. When he died, oh, he left his was alone. Papa was a rolling stone. Wherever he laid his hat was his home. When he died, oh, he left his was alone. Hey mama, is it true what they say? Papa never worked a day in his life. Mama, bad talk going around town saying Papa had 3 outside children and another wife. That ain't right. Heard talk about Papa doing storefront preaching. Talk about saving souls and all the time leeching. Dealing in debt and stealing in the name of the Lord. Mama just hung her head and said, Papa was a rolling stone. Wherever he laid his hat was his home. When he died, oh, he left his was alone. Papa was a rolling stone. Wherever he laid his hat was his home. When he died, oh, he left his was alone. Papa was a rolling stone. Wherever he laid his hat was his home.